back to the cave. It's Sunday, and we're going to get after the 55 as usual. Just figured I'd catch you up on what we were doing. I did trim out some more of the floor. I made a post on community, so you can see that I got it to the seam, and I'll get in the car and I'll show you in a minute. But I took and I got everything cut out except around the front body mounts. So those got to get cut yet and split so that mount stays, and then we got to get the back. But I want to try to get the floor cleaned up in the front while we're able to work in there, and I'm trying to cut off some of the excess crud that's on the frame. So that's what we got going right now. So I'm waiting on Scotty to get here so he can get busy, and I'm just going to get after it. So we'll see you in a second. Okay, so Thursday I was off work. We had a CC day, company convenience. It's called We're Getting Slow, and could you take a day off? So anyway, you can see I took and I split this right here. Man, I used an air hammer. Oh, did that work just killer. So I split this all the way to here, okay, and then we still got to take this apart. So this has got to get split, and then this is what's left of the support, the body mount and whatnot, and then this goes across over on this side here same way. So that's what we got done. Right now I'm going to start chipping away at this stuff here and just get this all out. I started to use a wire brush on the floor here, and on the seam you can see I still got to knock some of the spot welds out, but I wanted to get this all cleaned up. This whole area here, I want to get this all cleaned up. I should get this gauge panel out of here, and then yeah, we can get after this. So alright, this is where we're at right now. Okay, as I was showing you earlier, we were cleaning up this floor in the front. We still got to do the mounts here. This brace needs to be done. But I got all this floor, I got all that crud off of the inspection cover, off of the floor. Oh, that's all pretty cleaned up.
So I started to clean up the back brace, get it ready to drill out all the spot rivets and get ready to take it out. Easier to see the floor and work on the wheel films. So that's where we're at right now. So what I started doing was I took a magic marker and I marked all the spot weld holes, marks, because you can't see them when you're trying to drill them. So I just used a magic marker and I put a dot on each one, so this way I can just go back with my pilot drill and drill them out.
That'd be it. Hooray!
Ah,
Hooray! You want to grab that, sweetie? Hoorah! Yeah. Well, we got this back panel out, as you've seen. And I just got done cleaning this seam up here. So now we can split the floor. Get ready to take this last piece of the floor out. All right, so yeah, that's where we're getting there. We are getting there. So this is all, I wanted to take that out because I'm thinking that if we, you know, we cut all this, you know, we can replace these wheel tubs. You know, we're gonna cut the floor is gonna come here, but we can still cut them tubs out and fix all this crud here, you know. And then the stuff in the back. This one's about the same. This one's about the same. So, yeah, we'll get all that cut loose and get it out of here so we can start putting it all back together. Alrighty.